What's going on, guys? It is your boy CyclonexCry. Man, it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but you guys remember a few weeks ago I uploaded a video I'm gonna be buying a car? Well, I finally just got a car. And well, as you saw from the title and the thumbnail, it's a BMW 335i, a 2012 with 80-some thousand miles on it. Now, it will be here in a few days, maybe a week or two, but once it comes, it's going to be freaking epic. Man, I can't wait to do this build with you guys, and I hope you guys really want to come along. No, but it will be in a few minutes. What's going on, guys? So, today it's officially been 5 days since the last clip y'all saw. Today's the day the vehicle arrives. As you guys saw from the title, y'all already know what it is, so I'll see y'all once it gets here. He should be like 10 minutes away, so it's gonna be crazy. Let's get it. This is gonna be fun. Damn, there she is. This is gonna be a fun project. Hey, I'm good. Okay, no, that's not bad at all. I told you. It's not that bad. Alright, guys, so just took delivery of the car. It's right here. So we got a problem. The engine, the hood, one of the cables is broke, so the side is locked and can't get into it, and the battery's dead. And the battery's dead, meaning we can't open the trunk. So right now we have a car sitting here, can't get into the hood or the trunk. That's why it said no start, because they couldn't start it. But we're going to figure it out. So let me just give you guys a walk around of the car real quick, show you the damage. Looks like we're gonna need a front bumper. Looks like it might be dripping a little bit of coolant. It's just very little, so we'll see. Need a cover. Show you around. Looks like we need a rocker panel. Definitely needs a hose down, clean it up. Here's the interior. It's the M Sport edition, has upgraded speakers, the leather seats, navigation, M Sport steering wheel. So it has everything. It has the speedometer up to 160. So once we get it started, that's the main goal for today. We're gonna just try and get it started and see what we can do with it. So I'll see you guys once we make some progress, alright? Bumper's getting replaced anyways, but we need it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start destroying it, trying to get it off. Okay, that's not going to work. So, guys, this car is going to get some type of power in it today. That's what today's episode's for. This car's going to have power today. Period. That's just the goal. Let's see what it says, okay? But I'll see you guys soon, okay? There we go.
You're literally cutting the bumper off of a BMW. What are you doing?
Having a little fun destroying a BMW. There you go. Right there. There we go. Hang this on the wall, souvenir.
You might as well. That's your
I'm gonna need the fog light though.
Oh yeah.
Looks better like that.
Some people drive them around like that. Ooh. Alright. So guys, as of right now, I went through the front of the car, the back of the car. For some reason, I put a power pack on it, and every time I put the power pack on and flip the switch, the car gets power for a few seconds, and then it will like just die, and then the power pack will cut back on, and then it will die. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's a blown fuse or something. But for what I did as of right now, I took off the headlights, bumper, the grills, and you know, because I want to get behind this to see what real damage we have down here, because it looks like down there that might be broken, and down here we have something that like came off and like got stuck, whatever this is. Maybe some of you BMW boys will know what that is. It looks like a water pump, maybe oil pump. I would hope not, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep deconstructing this, so I will see you guys soon. And just like, let me know if you guys want me to do the time lapses of me doing this, because if you guys want time lapses, I'll go ahead and start putting them in. But for the first video, I just want to take this and be able to do something with it. Okay, so alright guys, so I hooked my car to it and we actually got power, but I need to go before we get copyrighted. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read the OBD2 on it and see what it says. Okay, let's get it. I'm debating if I should start it or not. Let's read the codes. I'm gonna go ahead and read the OBD2 on it. Let's see what we get. Alright, you guys see that? Alright, so if you guys know what that is, let me know. Go ahead and start it. Let's see what happens. Alright. So she won't start. Okay, so she won't start. I'm not sure if that's just because of the battery. But other than that, everything's there. We can put this back. And put that guy back down. Alright, so we have everything. But now we just need to go ahead and let's get it. That's crazy. And guys, just to end tonight off, I think I'm going to give her a bath, because she needs it. I mean, poor baby, look at her. I'm taking those rockers off too. I don't like them unless you guys want me to keep them on. Let me know. Alright guys, so it's getting a little bit late. It's going on, what, 8:30? I got the car around 1. So it's been a long day. So we made a lot of accomplishment. I hope you guys enjoy this series or build project, whatever. And if you guys want me to keep doing them or give me some improvements, like if you guys want to see time lapses and things like that, put them down below in the comments. But let me give you guys just a walk around of what we did. So took off the front headlights, took off a lot of things, you know, the headlights, the front bumper, things of that nature. Just gave it a bath though, put all the parts in the back. Yeah, that's her. She looks so much better in person. I need to take off the broken license plate. But yeah, that's her. I mean, the white is just, you guys can't even, you won't even get it on camera with how white it is. It's like a pearl white. I don't know the color code, but once I get it, you know, I'll let y'all know. But, you know, I gotta get some glue off and things like that. Other than that, this is gonna be one fun car. It only has a few minor things. sprayed the inside, got rid of all the dirt and stuff that was there. These tires look brand new. I mean, they're still, I mean, they just look brand new. Look at the thread. Look at that tread. I mean, it's just like brand new, so that's awesome. But yeah, hopefully you guys want to see more. If you guys do, hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Next video, we will try to accomplish ordering parts and doing some more diagnostics on the car and finding out what's wrong with the car now. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces. Baby. Baby. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you happy for the new car?
Mm-hmm.